Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens 8-box Stature case break 3018. So to our current date and time, it is Thursday, June 9th at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and Thursday, June 9th at 11 p.m. Eastern Time. Live on Breakers, live on YouTube, and of course for anyone who has a sign our break site, sign up there. And that's what we got scheduled coming up here. And for anyone who hasn't joined our YouTube or Facebook, sorry, join us there as well. So live on Breakers, YouTube, and to the Teen Buys. So Ducks belongs to Klondike, going down to West Sun 81, and Pittsburgh Steel with the Penguins, going down to Steven Goober with the Jets. So here we go, guys. So appreciate again everyone for watching and joining, and best of luck to all of you in the break here. Case 0849. Let's see if the cup mojo flows into Stature here tonight. Good luck, guys, or ladies and gents. Box number 1. So we are kicking off with Matthew Barzal for the Isles, John LeClaire for the Fly, Reese Johnson, $3.99 for the Blackhawks. And Protege, 32 of 149. Got Vitek Vanisic going out to Washington. And Century Momentous, 41 of 75. We got Mike Richter. Mike Richter for the Rangers. And Mikey Mo, red, 18 of 60, or 18 of 35 for the Dallas Stars. Nice hit, Dallas. Going to J Money. J Money. And Alec Regula, 35 of 85 for Chicago. That's the green. And Gravitas of David Pasternak. Going out to the Bees. Bad first pack here. So we got John Gibson for the Ducks, Pat LaFontaine for the Isles, Callum Booth at a $3.99 for the Bruins, Nils Hoglander, 47 of 99. And Sasha Shemelevsky at a 175 for the Sharks. We got mixers and stuff like that. And Liam Foodie, 19 of 25 red portrait for the Blue Jackets. And Mike Gartner, Stature auto for the Rangers, going out to Fred Crosby. And Century Momentous of Yarmer Yager, Mr. Yogs, to Joe. In the Facebook group there, you can trade with other guys if you like, but we don't monitor the trades or anything like that. So you just proceed with caution type thing. But we have a pretty good customer base on there as well. So we got OEL for the Coyotes base. Quinn Hughes for the Canucks. On our break site, it's a lot of just jerseys or random team mixers. We'll have Series 2 actually going up here probably this weekend. Got Hayden Verbeek, $3.99 for the Canadiens. Calvin Thorkov at a 175 for Columbus. And Protege at a 149, Gabe Velarde for LA. Alexander Alexeyev in this one. Actually, no, it's actually blended in like, or no, actually, I would consider that almost a surface imperfection. It's a rookie, but it's coming through there. And patch auto, 15/24, Jason Robertson. Nice J-Row. For Dallas going J Money. Nice on there. And Arthur Kaliev for the Kings. Very nice. Nice J-Row. Wednesday on the June 15th. It is confirmed. So we got Ryan Suter going out to the Wild. Steve Yzerman for the Red Wings base. Josh Norris out of 175 for Ottawa. Tyler Benson out of 399 for the Oil. And Peyton Krebs, number 86/99. Going out to Vegas on this one. And Matt Tkachuk portraits out of 99 for the Flames. And update auto Zach Werenski for the Blue Jackets. Going to Chris, I believe. Johnska. And for the Blue Jackets again, protege auto Liam Foudy. And protege Liam Foudy, non-auto. Blue Jackets on a streak. Going streaking. On to box 5. Connor McDavid for the Oil. Dominic Hasek for the Sabres. Alexander True at a 399 for the Sharks. Austin Matthews green at 175 for TO. And protege at a 149. Timothy Liljegren. Hey, yos. And Nico Hischier at a 175 for New Jersey. And black 13/20 for Dallas. The team that's running away with the break right now. J Money with the Stars. And Jonathan Huberdeau, 44/65. On to Klondike. And protege Connor McMichael. Box 6. Sorry, give me a second. Pup keeps dropping this. Chew stick there. So we got Drew Doughty for LA. Tuukka Rask for the Bruins. And Connor Ingram, 399 for the Preds. And Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, 21/85 for the Oil. That's the red. And Joe Kiviranta, 175 for the Stars color match. And Nico Lettinen, 52/85 red for Toronto. And blue auto, the wrong Oil, 2/15 Tyler Benson. What a tease. Daniel could not get you Connor McJeezy. Got Tyler Benson. And Century Momentous Glenn Hall. Sorry, they're down. Box 7. Still 2 boxes left, so still hopefully some other potential. Another patch. Got Mackenzie Blackwood for the Devils. Leon Draisaitl for the Oil. Our team Zigodolin, $3.99 for the Flames. And Zach Parise, number 1 of 85. That's the red variation. It's Minnesota still. Tuukka Rask, 59 of 85 for the Bruins. And Alexander Barkov, number 8 of 45 for Florida. And for the Oil, got a 3-color patch. Tyler Benson, 19 of 33. Daniel again. Just the gosh darn wrong Oiler. Oiler auto. And Century Momentous, Martin Brodeur. Let's see if we can get it right on the last box here. 3-color Benson. And box number 8 here, guys. So we got Thomas Chabot for the Sens. Mike Richter for the Rangers. Alexander Alexeyev for the Capitals. Arthur Keliev, 75 of 175 for the Kings. And Stuart Skinner, 57 of 175 for Edmonton. And Austin Matthews, 23 of 45 going out to the Leafs. It's actually a nice looking color there. And Mark Stone, Stature parallel auto for Vegas. On a Warren, Mr. Big Harsh. And Protege Alexander Romanov to wrap up the break for the Habs. So, there we have it, guys. So, appreciate